Hi guys, it's me Lexi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my TikTok. This is all free products, so let's go.
So for today guys, gagawa tayo ng video about ano yung mga nakuha ko doon sa iFace Expo event last week. So this is very late upload lang. So that was June 27 to 28 to this event nila. At late upload na nga to sis kasi nga na-busy lang tayo ng ilang araw last week. So yan, finally nakapag-upload na tayo. Actually guys, hindi ko nakuha lahat. Hindi ko naabutan yung mga iba pang brands na namimigay. Mag-check na tayo ng mga nakuha natin sa event na yun. So meron tayo nitong wet brush, yan.
Meron din tayo nito, Leo 10.
Itong Dimples, at ito ay hair removal spray foam. And of course, from the Pure Solutions, this one is exfoliating acid cleanser. And of course, ang pinakagusto ko talaga sa lahat itong O2O, which is yung sunscreen primer nila. I'm so excited to use this na nga guys. And of course, itong BYS, dalawang lipstick na yung nakuha ko sa kanila. Ito nga yung high gloss lipstick. This one is lip mousse. At meron na rin pala tayo itong BYS, which is yung kanilang sheet mask. At ito naman, from Trinea. Ang cute ng sachet nila. I think ito yung mga pinamimigay lang talaga sadya para sa event. Pero mag-check din tayo ng kanilang products sa TikTok shop, syempre. Ito nga pala yung Bioretinol Reset. This one is yung Reset and Glow. At nakakuha nga rin pala tayo ng Rev Magnet from Revox or Revox. Basta di ko alam paano i-pronounce yung brand nila, pero yan. Ang cute na lang. At ito naman yung nakuha natin from Urban Care. This one is yung kanilang hair care conditioner for wavy and curly hair. So, sakto to sa akin kasi namin pagka-wavy yung hair natin. Ito nga yung Betlane, Betlane or Betlane, basta bahala na. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano i-pronounce yung kanilang brand. This one is yung Pore Clay Mask. Siya. At ang isang brand pala doon sa event na yun, which is saan ko nga nakita si Dennis Laurel, meron silang pa-photo book. So yung photo book nila is this one, black and white ang atake. So ang atake niya is parang parisibo. Pero ang cute nilang girl. Ito yung isa sa remembrance na nagustuhan ko from iFace event. May kasali rin palang sticker from Urban Care. So yun yung kasama ng conditioner. Ito may another 2 stickers pa. Itong isang sticker from Revox and the other one is from O2O. At meron din tayong nakuha from Dear Claire's. At ito yung Bouncy Pore Serum. This one is from Dear Claire's again. And ito yung 10-in-1 care for glowy skin. And this one from Jumiso. And this is Niacinamide 2 Plus Oil Control Cream. Perfect din to sa akin kasi nga oily face tayo. And the other one, this one is yung Equal Berry NAD or NAD Plus Peptide Boosting Trial Kit. So meron tayo dyan NAD or NAD Plus Peptide Boosting Toner. At meron din tayong Plus Peptide Boosting Serum. And the other one is yung Boosting Cream. Next, this is the sticker from Dear So. So ang pick niya, pwede ko itong nilagay sa tumbler or sa other thing na meron ako. And last but not the least, ang nakuha natin sa iFace Expo event na free product lang is this one. Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. So, excited na nga ako gamitin to lahat at yung mga collaborations with these products, with these brands. I can't wait na makapagawa ng content and ng other videos sa kanilang products at ng real feedback. So, yun. So, ayan yung mga nakuha natin from iFace Expo event. Just enjoy this video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng aking nakuha.
Overall, sobrang saya ng experience sa iFace Expo 2026 event. Ang daming booths, freebies, at syempre perfect spot for content creator. And this is one of what I've got from that event, which is this black tote bag. Sobrang cute. And ito ang aming map pala during that time. Andyan yung stall numbers at yung ibang booth. Alright, that's it all for my haul today. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. See you on the next event. Bye!